Good morning, good Sunday morning, or good afternoon, I should say. It's after 12 o'clock. So today I am going to make jerk pork, roast jerk pork. And as you can see, I have the pork ready. It's my container that I'm going to season it in. And of course, the garlic pepper, the adobo jerk seasoning, browning, and my world famous pickled jar. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done. With the pork, I don't know if I should do it whole or I should cut it in pieces. I've done it whole before, but the thing is, when I do it whole, then you would have to make sure the seasoning gets up in it. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And this time I'm thinking maybe I'll just cut it up, season it that way, and we go from there. So I decided to cut it in chunks, and I left that big piece right here that has the bone in it and everything. I left stuff on that. So this is what I'm going to season, and let's do that. So we're going to add our browning. We're going to add the adobo. And we're just going to use all the garlic powder that's in here. Just finish it out. And then we're gonna put the jerk seasoning in. As you can see, I'm doing everything with them on my one hand because it's washed, it's clean. And then we're gonna rub it in. Just give a quick rinse. Now we're gonna rub it in. This is the big piece with the meat, or I should say the bone. I'm gonna make sure everything gets covered. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna let it sit for a while. Okay? The oven is preset to 380, and we're gonna go ahead and put the pork into the baking tin. Now we're just gonna space them out. And then what I love to do is I love to add water, just a little water. And stir around the excess sauce that's left behind, and then just pour it on top. So it can sweat. So now what I'm going to do with this is cover it with foil paper and then throw it in the oven. Now this will stay in the oven for about 2.5 hours, probably 3. Depends on how you like it. Usually for me it's around 2 hours, 2.5 hours. With the last 30 minutes I will do uncovered. but I like to start it covered so the juices and everything can be soaked in, and then you know, we'll go from there. But there it is in the oven. Get to leave it for a while and probably go watch something. Probably watch Maleficent Part 2 with Angelina Jolie and Michelle Pfeiffer. I just took it out the oven after an hour and 15 minutes. So I'm going to open it up so I can turn it over. How beautiful. So we're going to turn it over and put it back in. How beautiful does this look? This looks scrumptious. Okay. And this is the big giganta piece. There we go. It's coming along. So we're going to put it in for another hour. And then we'll go from there. So we'll cover it back over and put it in for another hour. So this is the jerk pork. It's finished. I just put some seasoning on mine, and I also made some mixed gravy that I threw in it. So I'm going to put it back in the oven for the heat to just finish it off. But basically, this is what it looks like. And then, of course, we're eating it with white rice. People usually love stuff like this with rice and peas, but we're doing white rice. And then here's the little shrimp and mixed vegetable, and we're gonna have salad. So that's dinner for today, Sunday. I will show you the final plate when it's ready. And here you have it, Sunday dinner, which is jerk roast pork with white rice, vegetable, and the shrimp and mixed vegetable salad. Bon appetit, y'all.